Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fortnite on your Meta Quest 3 headset. While Fortnite isn't a native virtual reality game, you can still experience it on your Quest 3 through clever streaming methods. It's important to understand that there isn't a dedicated VR version you can simply download. Instead, we'll explore how to bring the traditional Fortnite experience into your virtual environment, offering a unique way to enjoy the popular Battle Royale game. One primary method involves streaming Fortnite from a powerful gaming PC. You'll need a computer capable of running Fortnite smoothly, then use software like Virtual Desktop, Steam Link, or Meta Airlink to cast the game to your Quest 3. This setup provides the lowest latency and best visual quality, making it feel almost native. Ensure your Wi-Fi network operates on the 5 GHz band for optimal performance, minimizing any potential lag during intense battles. Alternatively, you can leverage cloud gaming services to play Fortnite on your Quest 3. Platforms such as NVIDIA GeForce Now or Xbox Cloud Gaming allow you to stream the game directly over the internet. This eliminates the need for an expensive gaming PC, making it accessible to more players. However, a very stable and fast internet connection is paramount, ideally 50 megabits per second or higher, to ensure a smooth and responsive gaming experience without interruptions. In summary, while a native VR Fortnite experience isn't available, both PC VR streaming and cloud gaming provide excellent alternatives for playing on your Quest 3. PC streaming offers the best visual quality and lowest latency if you have the hardware, while cloud gaming provides accessibility for those without a powerful computer. Choose the method that best suits your setup and internet capabilities to enjoy Fortnite in a unique, immersive way on your virtual reality headset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.